Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you guys how to clear your search history on Google Chrome. So if you want to clear your search history on Google Chrome, it's quite a simple process. Just follow my steps and you'll be able to do it in no time at all. But first things first, you have to head over to Google Chrome. So let me open my Google Chrome right here. And from here, to clear your browsing history, you want to head over to the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. So if you click on the three dots, and these options will show up here. And you want to look for the option that says history. As you can see, it's right here. You can also just click Control H, but find history and then go over to history. So once you open history from here, what you are going to want to actually do, you want to look for the option that says clear browsing history, which should be on the left hand side of the screen. So look for it and then click on it. Once you are brought to it, this page will show up right here, clear browsing data. So if you want to clear it, then as you can see, the time range, you can change it. It can be the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. So choose which option you want to do, and then I'll just do last hour. And you want to just uncheck cookies and other site data and cached images and files. So you just want to make sure that browsing history is chosen if you only want to clear browsing history. If you want to completely wipe it, then you can choose cookies and data and cached images and files. But I'd suggest just doing browsing history. Now once you've chosen what you want to do, just clear data and it'll completely clear it. So once again, if you were just brought to this page and you don't know what to do, just click on clear browsing data right here when you're in the privacy and security area or website. So you want to click on clear browsing data and they'll bring up this page right here. And then you just clear whatever you want. So that is how you clear your browsing or search history on Google Chrome. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.